Hey, wanted to show you the latest results that we've been getting with Browzwear. Our Browzwear update is officially live, which is super exciting. And I'm going to show it using our bulk upload feature on the platform, so you can actually drop in hundreds of assets at the same time, watch them upload, and then get optimized in less than 5 minutes. So let's get into it.
So I have a bunch of Browzwear assets selected here. I'll just drag and drop them over there. Turn on optimization. Can adjust texture compression settings here. By default, it'll just name the files whatever the file name was here, and can add tags if I want to, but I'm not going to. And I'll click create, and now it'll start bulk uploading all of those assets. So you can see here all the assets are uploaded, they've been processed. Let's take a look at a few of them. Let's take a look at this camo workout. This went from 2.7 million polygons, 338,375 megabytes, all the way down to 6.3 megabytes as GLB. Look at a couple more here. Sweatshirt. So Browzwear sweatshirt, the V-Stitcher logo, 403 megabytes down to 3.3 megabytes, and we took about 68,000 polys off of it. So what's cool is that just like I bulk uploaded, I can also bulk edit all of these assets. So I could come back here, I could choose to optimize them to a certain polygon limit if I wanted to. I could adjust the amount of compression that I want to add. I can add tags or attributes to it. So let's say these are part of the fall collection. And I can click submit, and it'll rerun all those assets for me.
So that's the latest with Browzwear. Also wanted to let you know that we're starting a freelancer program. So if you are a freelance designer that is designing in Browzwear or Clo 3D, hit me up on LinkedIn and we will give you access to the platform. Talk to you soon. Bye.